Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and some of you asked to see me make my skins just straight without using overflow. So I have from the Dollar Tree a chopping mat. There's 2 per set, so you could do 2 different skin making at a time. And then I just have a leftover something, any type of cup, jar, plastic preferably, so you could just throw it away. And then look at this mess. I've got some Arteza pouring colors. They're acrylic. And you can use regular. You can use Dollar Tree acrylic as well. But I just grabbed a bunch of colors. And I think this white one hasn't been opened yet. But you shake them all up. And then you take the cap off. Or you puncture a hole. Whatever works best for you. So I'm just going to try to take the cap off. If that doesn't work, then we're going to just puncture a hole. How about that? And it's that easy. Okay. And then you're just going to shake your colors up. We're going to start with a little bit of white here. And I obviously did not do that well. We'll just put it in like this. And then we're going to add some of our other colors. I've got some pink going in there. And depending on how much you want, how many just put some dots here and there. But depending on how much pour you want. If you just want to do, you know, a test run to see if it works, then just put a little bit. If you want to do a whole bunch of skins, do a lot. Whatever you choose is going to work well. So we're just putting that on there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this sea green as well. That was really pretty with those colors. And then we're going to top it with a little bit more white. Oh, I did it again. You know what I did? I left the cap on. There's a plastic cap or a paper cap on there. Alright, so we've got that all taken care of. Now you can take something like this and just run it and mix up those colors really pretty like that to get that swirl going. Of course, we have to have our baby wipes. You'd think I own stock in baby wipes. I don't. I just like to be able to clean up right away, and these baby wipes do wonders. Okay, so now we've got that there. We've got our tray, and we've got it on the side that is smooth. And then you're just going to take that, and you could do one of 2 things. You can do what's called a tree pour, where you're kind of going in a circle like this, or you can go back and forth. However you want to do, and you're just making your skins. And you can go back and forth. Look how pretty this is coming out. Look at that. Don't you wish you could just use that part? I'm going to go very slowly. And then you're just going to take your skin, or not your skin, but your little guys here, and just move it around until you get your desired effect. And we're going to get a nice big piece here. And then guess what? It just sits there overnight and it dries, and then you're good to go. If you wanted to add some on your own, you could do that. If you do not want to pour, you could do that as well, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to just move to another area. We're going to start with a little bit of white. How many times, Jean? How many times? We're just going to start with some white on here. And we will add some of these really pretty colors. I'm just going to add some dots. At this point, you can move it around and you can get some great dots on there if you'd like. You can add other colors. We're just going to add more dots. Okay, and we can leave it there if you do not want to add any of those other colors, or you can, whatever you decide. You can also cut it in half, and we'll only do half of it with these other colors. And that's what we'll do for you here. Just so many options that we have. And there we go. Got our baby wipe to get rid of that extra. All right, again, you can take this and you can move it around, right? So you're getting those nice thick lines. Or again, just take these guys and go ahead and go just like that. Isn't that pretty? And then you can go this way as well, back this way. I mean, the sky is the limit to what you want to do. You've got these great bands growing across here, but look at how pretty this is. I really, really like that. I'm going to add a couple more bands going this way. You can use some reds and oranges and yellows and make some fire looking. And then again, you can play with it. Do whatever you want to do. This is all you. This is your skins. Look at that. Is that cool? That's really looking pretty. That's why I'm going to keep on going a little bit there. And there you go. We're going to let these dry overnight, and then we'll come back and we'll make some jewelry. Alright, beauties, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you're doing while you're watching the channel. I always like to know what you guys are doing in your crafts as well. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Alright, it has been 24 hours, and look, it is dry. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty. This is going to make some beautiful jewelry. What do you think? Alright, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more little videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And again, tell me what you're working on. Alright, if you want to see this in my jewelry, go to my Etsy shop and I'll have it posted there. Alright, have a wonderful day, beauties. Bye!